name is August, and you probably know that because you're probably just my friends and relatives, because nobody watches this, like, at all, except for my friends and relatives, because, yeah. Anyways, today we are going to be making French onion soup from this random, really thick cookbook, because it's random and thick. That's why we use it. Random thick cookbook. Random and thick and pink, even though I don't really like pink. So anyways, we'll be cutting the onions. These are totally not raised by a book. No questions. Don't ask why kids are using knives. Now, if you're a proper chef, do not critique my food. Alright, so we are actually going to do the baguettes because we weren't going to do them originally, but the first batch turned out a little like the chicken dinner in the Santa Claus. So yeah, we're going to do that eventually. After I put the chickens, not the chickens, I meant the onions, in a pot over medium-low heat. So while I'm doing that, I'm not going to tell you what my sponsor because I don't have one. I feel like I made a little too many onions. What you recommended was a little too many onions.
No, it's not right, Ian.
Okay. Anyways. So I'm gonna do this for about 10 minutes.
You need to melt butter in the pan first, though.
Shoot. Booter. I found the booter. I got the booter. Okay. More booter. And now we are going to put it on for medium heat. Medium-low heat, I mean. And there we go. And then now we wait for it. Alright, so I've got, now the onions are done in a goldeny brown looking. And I've put the baguette thingies into the oven, and that's pretty much it for now. Never mind, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce / tamari into the broth. I did not drink that. I literally just tried dumping it in. And then we mix it up even more. And then we just pour into the soup broth. I mean the onions, and then it's basically done. And now I just pour the soup broth with the onions. So now that once your soup is done, you take it into a pot of your choice, or like bowl of your choice, rather. And then pour it in. And then after that, you take then you also take some cheese. Whatever cheese you want. I personally prefer Saputo and mozzarella cheese, but it's your choice. And that's all. Thank you for watching. Bye.